way can actually win the heart of other person, isn't it? The same sound when spoken in a sweet way can actually win the heart of other person, but the same sound when it's spoken in a harsh way can actually instigate others. I'll give you an example. Just imagine how Hitler used to speak. Just by his speech, he killed so many people. How terrorists, they actually motivate each other by the sound vibration through the name of different philosophy. And through the power of sound vibration, how so many people actually give their lives to other person, girl or boy, isn't it? That is sound vibration. When somebody speaks very pleasantly, then we become very happy. So that sound vibration affects us subconsciously. That power of sound is actually used in the scientific field also. We are seeing a ship here. US Navy use big ships like this and ultrasonic machining, and by that they are able to destroy even big rocks and mountains without even touching them. Yes, move forward. We all have heard of opera singers, isn't it? So there are opera singers जो लोग अपनी आवाज के दम पे just by the power of the sound vibration without even touching they are able to break the wine glasses. सुना होगा आपने, है ना? The wine glasses are broken just by the power of sound vibration. Yes, move forward. So when Mark 3 planes, yes, when Mark 3 planes they go over, due to the power of the thudding sound, they are able to even crack big buildings. That is the power of sound vibration, that even without touching, it has such a huge impact on all of us, on even the animate objects, inanimate objects, and non-living objects. Similarly, when we see ultrasonic machining, just by the power of sound vibration, we are able to create holes up to the level of accuracy of millimeters, even in metals. That is power of sound vibration. Sound levitation, you can just search about it. Sound levitation. On the power of sound vibration, the objects are levitated on the sky. मतलब उनको हवा में उठा दिया जाता है just by the power of sound vibration. Such is the effect of sound on an inanimate object, यानी कि non-living things पे. I already told the effect of sound on living beings, just like example I gave, Hitler and all. So non-living or living, sound vibration affects every one of us. Yes, as we move forward, we know that sound vibration affects our hormonal pattern. It affects the brain wave, the heart waves, and ultrasonic waves, they are used to heal the wounds and the stones in the kidneys. And the sounds of songs, they affect our emotions. For example, यार आपको पता होगा, in 15 August हम लोग patriotic song everyone play, है ना? मेरे देश की धरती, something like that. So we all feel some connection with the country, isn't it? We feel patriotic. But अगर कोई पार्टी हो और उसमें वो song play किया जाए, तो आपको कैसा लगेगा? We will feel awkward, isn't it? Sound has an effect on us. Same sound, if it is played in a gym, how will you feel? In gym, you will not play sad songs or patriotic songs. You will play motivational songs, isn't it? Because that instigates us to work even more harder. मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ in examples के through that how the sound is, without our being conscious about it, is affecting us. Just for example, take for example our lives. How our lives are moving ahead. It is primarily due to the sound vibration we have given our ears to. It is said that we are not what we see, but we become not what we see, but what we hear actually. So hearing is so important. आपने सुना था अपने student life में, जैसे young life में, that IIT is a good college. So you have given your life to prepare for IIT, isn't it? That's the power of sound vibration. If I ask anyone, a small boy is there in the picture. If I ask this small boy, 5-year boy, where you want to go? Switzerland or Pakistan? What will be his answer? What will be your answer? Okay, in comment box, if you can comment, I'll see your comments. So if comment box, you can tell, Pratham, Aniket, Jashandeep, and others. Switzerland, yes. Anshuman, Switzerland. Okay, Pratham, Switzerland. Thank you for answering. Umang Prajapati, Switzerland. Naval, Switzerland. So everyone is so eager to actually go to Shashikant. Thank you. Everyone is so eager to actually go to Switzerland. Thank you, Sachin. But a child knows not, even you, even Sachin, Shashikant, whatever, Naval, all the participants, we don't know what Switzerland is. But because we have heard from the right sources that it's a good place, that's why we want to go there, isn't it? Even a child, he knows not, he has not been there. You all did not know what electrical engineering is, what IIT must be like, what engineering will be like. But we have given our lives because we have heard from somewhere, isn't it? So, sound has such an amazing power that it affects us in a great degree. Here we are going to see an experiment by Dr. Masuro Emoto, that how the power of sound affects even non-living things like water. So different sounds were played and the crystalline structure of water was studied. And let's see what happened. When they played, yes, you can play this. We are able to see in this. So you can do a study on it, how Dr. Masuro Emoto actually made this study. He actually he put the water under different types of sound vibration, and the conclusion of this study was that when he say good words, kind words, or even the sound of people who are very pious, who are very kind, the structure aligned itself in a very symmetric way, in a very symmetric way. On the other hand, when he said wrong words with wrong intentions and feelings, the structure was different. It is very enlightening and amazing to see such kind of study. You can see this video later. So in this, basically there are various patterns which are there, and it shows that how the sound actually affects the behavior of even the inanimate objects like water crystals. So what to say of the sound effect on us? Here there is another video where we are going to see the effect of sound on the water crystals. So particular frequency is played here, and the sound due to that the water molecules are aligning itself in a particular way. Yes. Just see how amazing it is. Now frequency is changed. Now reverse effect will be seen when the frequency is little lowered. The water will go above. You must have not seen this ever. Yes. Thank you. So that's how the power of sound actually affects all of us. The power of sound is utilized by even the industries like media industry, the news industry, the shopping industry to affect us in a particular way. Do you know that? There are why people who do advertisement, they get crores of rupees just for a 20-second ad. Have you ever thought this? Any one of you in comments? How people who are doing advertisement, why they get crores of rupees just for an advertisement of 10 seconds? It's because actually the subconscious mind is trained, they are inspiring people to buy their product. Yes, because when they say the डर के आगे जीत है, ठंडा मतलब क्या निकलता है आपके मुंह से? ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला. डर के आगे जीत है. तो अब next time you go and buy that something related to some cold drink, then you will, whatever liking you have of that actor, you will buy that, isn't it? That is called subliminal marketing, and it is banned in many countries because it affects us. That's the power of sound vibration. Just by the sound vibration, they are getting crores and crores of rupees. So this is how the ad and media industry earn so much money out of it. Now here we are going to understand that how there is a power or the yoga of sound which can help us to grow spiritually and be stable person in our life. And that is the power of that how we can actually meditate in our life and do prayers and meditation so that we can practically apply this philosophy in our lives also. So let's move forward and see what is yoga. So if I ask you yoga, many of us has misconception that the meaning of yoga is to actually go to some mountain and do some austerity and do some penances, some yogic posture like that. We have misconception that that yoga means to go to Himalayas like that. Many people go, but actually, when Krishna was asked by Arjuna, yes, move forward. When Krishna was asked by Arjuna that, yes, we all think like this. So when Krishna was asked that how to control this mind, so in 6th chapter, 34th verse, Krishna tells this, that mind is very restless, very turbulent and very obstinate. So actually Krishna proposes to Arjuna that you can perform this yoga. But Arjuna क्या बोल रहे हैं कि mind तो बहुत restless है, और वो कब बोल रहे हैं? 5000 साल पहले बोल रहे हैं that mind बहुत restless है, बहुत obstinate है, इसको control करना, तो wind को control कर सकता हूँ लेकिन mind को control नहीं कर पाऊंगा. So like that Arjuna is telling. Yes. So then what is the process by which we can control our mind in this age? In this age, how we can control our mind? So there is a very nice verse which comes in the Vedic scriptures, and it is Krite yadhyayato Vishnu. Very simple. Tretayat yajato mukhe dwapare paricharyayam kalo tad hari kirtana. Yes. So move forward. Krite yadhyayato Vishnu. So the meditation or dhyan is the process for Krite, yani Satyuga, meditation on Lord Vishnu. So there are 4 types of ages, and you must have heard of all this, isn't it? How many of you know that there are 4 ages? Satyuga, Treta Yuga, Kali Yuga and Dwapar Yuga. So Satyuga, people can meditate because they have a certain kind of bodily construction and certain kind of power and certain kind of focus, And when we go to Treta Yuga, what is that? Tretaya Yajatomake, yani ki sacrifice or yajna. Yajna was done in the Treta Yuga. That is not possible nowadays because we don't have so much pure things available. Neither we have ghee, neither we have articles to do such a pure type of yajna in this age. Okay, so what is was in Dwapar Yuga? Yes, move forward. In Dwapar Yuga, what was the process to connect?
Uh, Sir's internet might have been lost. Like you can be there. Sir will connect in few minutes. I'm calling sir. Can we revise till now what we have discussed? Abhay, Aditya, Anshuman. Himanshu, Jasandeep. Hello, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, Priya.
Can someone of you like share like what we have discussed till now? 11.11 can share.
And till now, he has given the scientific experiment of Dr. Arroyo about the effect of sound vibrations on water and uh, other things, the yogic and the conversation between Krishna and Arjuna regarding control of mind, which is very restless, and how in different yug we have to do different activities. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah. So like even if you are able to see that like how this like we never saw this like sound has such a potency which is installed in it, so that like even sound can actually do create many of the things.
Yes, we.
Yeah, so like even it is told like even scientists believe that like sound is of creation, like it is the root of creation. So this power of
Yes.
sound videos we saw. Okay, yeah. Yes, survivors. Continue.
Okay. So we were in Dwapar Yuga. So what is Dwapar Yuga's age? What was Dwapar Yuga's process? Can anyone tell if you have discussed? So it is the worship.
Sir, worshipping in temples.
Yes, yes. As we move forward, so what is there for this age? How can we connect to God in this age? And are we talking about a particular religion or are we talking about God, connection with God? We are going to now understand the process by which we can get connected. Like I was disconnected right now, isn't it? I was disconnected because my connection was not proper. Wi-Fi connection, then I got. So this connection to God, how is it possible if I have a, authorized a particular way which was recommended? Okay, so let's understand what's that way and what other religions say about it, what great people say about it. Now we move forward for that. So chanting of the holy names, that is mantra, you must have heard. Many people they chant Om, or many people they chant in various religion many things. We'll discuss in future slides. So man means our mind, tra means to deliver. So if we rightly perform this activity of repetition of some sound vibration, then that can actually elevate us and control us and actually elevate our mind to a higher degree and connect with God. That's the most easiest process which is there for this age of Kali Yuga. You see, anything went from gross to become subtle and to spiritual, its power increases by many fold. So now we have spiritual sound, it has the greatest power. I forgot to tell you, I think. So Dr. Masato, when he did his experiment, so in rock sound, he got a very haphazard structure. In classical sound, he got a better structure. In spiritual sound, he got a perfectly aligned structure. So that's how the spiritual sound affects us. And even in the previous ages, there were various weapons which was in vogue on the power of sound vibration, Brahmastra and various other weapons. There is I told you in the previous session about Viman Shastra, how NASA is studying that, how Germany, Hitler studied that and made various weapons on that. That's completely based on the power of sound vibration, Pushpak Viman. I told you, one friend did an experiment with NASA on that, on Pushpak Viman. So they're researching on it. The whole world is doing very excited to know about the sound of about sound vibration. So sound vibration actually affects us and actually affect everything around us. Let's see what kind of mantra we are talking about here. Yes. So there's a lot of power in mantra, and we have seen the video of that, if you remember, in the previous session. So I'll not play it again. There's a video about the chanting of the mantras. Okay, in the previous slide it is there. So we are just going to directly go and see what the major religions say about it. Yeah, this video, if you can just play it for 1 second, they will get to remember. This I have already played, I think, in the previous session. The power of mantra.
It's not getting played.
Okay, no problem. Move ahead. Its codes are unavailable. So what the major religions say about chanting the holy names of the Lord. So I want all of you to be a participant in this. I want some of you to please come ahead and read it. Christianity, yes. Anyone? You have to audibly.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Christ glorified the Lord's holy name by saying, Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed by thy name.
Yes, very good. So move ahead. So Christianity glorify Sikhism. Yes, Jashandeep. What Guru Nanak Ji said? Anyone?
In the ambrosial hours of the morning, I meditate on the grace of the true name.
Yes. I don't remember Sacha Naam Vaheguru, something like that. I used to repeat earlier. So I had fascination for Sikhism. Now Muslim. What Muslim religion say? Islamic religion. You know, they chant repeatedly, they chant the names of Allah. Yes. Ya ilaha illallah. That everything comes from Allah. Okay. So same Buddhist also. Yeah. Pratham, can you read? Or Naval? Anyone?
Buddhists also practice repetition of the name of Lord Buddha, Namu Amida Butsu.
Yes. So in every religion we saw, yes, in Sanatan Dharma also, which we are trying to practice, in that also there is a repetition of the holy names of the Lord in the form of mantra. So mantra. So it helps us to come above, deliver our mind from the anxieties. And its present age, it can be a great boon to all of us if we can really connect. And I would like to request you that try to repeat it very, very consciously and try to hear it. We'll try to have a practice in the last of this session. So what is that mantra? Here. So there are many mantras. Yes, you can. Yes. So there are many mantras like in Sanatan Dharma, which are there in the Vedas. But for the Kali Yuga, the mantra is this. This is called the Maha Mantra. Lord Brahma, who is the creator of this universe, he told about this mantra. We'll see in the future slides that Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram,
Hare Hare.
So this is personally practiced by in my life, and I've seen the differences. Let's see what other people say about this mantra. Yes. So there was a scientific research which was done on chanting of this mantra, and Dr. David Brian Wolf, who is not an Indian, certainly he did an experiment on this, on the people who are chanting, on the mantra itself, and he saw that actually, you can read it, that the people who were in a lot of anxiety and stress on a verge of suicidal, but they got transformed by chanting of this mantra, and it is a deep effect. And he did a doctoral thesis on it, so it's a great subject matter for research. Yes, next. So he had written there is a book also written on it, on physiology, by Dr. A.K. Jain, where he mentions about the repetition of the word Rama, Hare Rama. So when we repeat this Rama, Rama, then that also has an effect on us. Yes, next. So neurologist, there's a neurologist in Henry Ford Hospital in Detroit, in Vivek Baluja, his name. So he did a research and he showed actually that after chanting, the brain activity was the so-called the hyper brain activity came down to a relaxed and alert state. And the persons who were doing this practice of chanting, their brain waves pattern he studied, and he got a good conclusion out of it. You can read it later maybe. So he did a neuroimaging technique for mapping the brain activity. Yeah. So there are some proper research he has done on it, and papers are also published on it. Yes. Next. So Dr. Vivek Bindra, so he also recommends the art of mind control by chanting the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra in this video with Ranveer Singh. Yeah. Next. So he's Jean-Claude Heliche, is the youngest director, and what he says. Yeah. Any one of you can read, Naval?
Everything started happening for me when I began chanting Hare Krishna.
Yes, thank you. Yes, next. So I request Abhay. Abhay, can you read this? Next slide. So is Albert Brushford, what he says. Aditya, Abhay, anyone?
Chanting Hare Krishna has made a tremendous impact in my life.
Yes. So now Andy Desai. Yes. Anyone who has not read till now?
I have been chanting Hare Krishna for many years, and I have never found anything more pleasurable. Just try to chant 5 to 10 minutes a day for a week, and you will feel the difference.
Yeah, really. We can feel the difference by actually doing it. Yes. Anyone else who have not read it?
Chanting Hare
Like to
Krishna.
read it?
Chanting Hare Krishna
Yes.
has helped me face all ups and downs in my life with a great confidence and peace of mind.
Yes. Thank you. Next. Yes. Umang, can you read? Umang Prajapati.
My outlook towards life is lot more brighter after starting to chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Next. So Prajapati, what is his name? Umang, no, what is his name? One more. Anyone who has not read till now?
Mahamantra reduces stress, depression, and the mode of ignorance, and considerably increases mode of goodness.
Yes. So now we are going to see the scriptural references for chanting the holy names of the Lord. Does there any scriptural reference also about this? Yes, let's see. Let's see. Move forward. So I told you in Kali Chandran Upanishad how Lord Brahma, initial creator of the world, he told this mantra: Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
नाम नाम कलि कल्मषनाशनम नाथ परतरोपाय सर्व वेदेषु दर्श्यते। सारे वेदों को देखने के बाद नाथ परतरो उपाय, तो मुझे कोई उपाय नहीं मिला। ये 16 अक्षर का जो नाम है, इति शोदक्षक नाम नाम कलि कल्मषनाशनम। सो कलियुगा में बहुत सारे कल्मश हैं, माइंड से, सेंसेस से, अदर बीइंग से, आदि आत्मिक, आदि भौतिक, आदि दैविक, रियल प्रॉब्लम्स, फोर रियल प्रॉब्लम्स, all will be nashanam when we chant the names. Very simple to understand. Yes, next. So he has seen, okay. So this also has given. So another, in Brahan Naradiya Puran also, there is a reference about it. I know I already told you from other religions. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam eva kevalam, kalo nasteva 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 gatirannatha. Actually, this is a very important verse where you see very carefully, if I write that you are a very, very good boy. Okay, so is it a correct statement grammatically? Can anyone of you tell me? You are a, Naval, you are a very good, very, very good boy. So if I say this, is it correct grammatically in English? Very, very good boy.
I don't think using very multiple times is the right one.
Because a repetition of words in some cases may be there, but in English and in Sanskrit also, 2 words cannot be repeated. So here you see that, I just gave example to make you understand that Kalo nasteva, nasteva, nasteva gatir anyatha. So 3 times there is a repetition of the same thing. In Sanskrit grammar, it is not correct. But actually, to emphasize at certain point of time some things, it is allowed. In English grammar also, like very, very good. So we can use it. Because we want to emphasize that he is a very, very good boy. So to emphasize something, we use it again and again, and it is allowed. So here it is emphasized that nasteva, nasteva, nasteva. What does it mean? That is, there is no other way, no other way, no other way. For example, yes, first we'll read this translation. Anyone of you can read? Shashikant?
In this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, the only mean of deliverance is the chanting of the holy names of the Lord. There is no other way. There is no other way. There is no other way.
Yes. So it is emphasized here that there is no other way. When we chant the holy names of the Lord, then that way we can connect with the God. Yes. Next. So in Bhagavad Gita also, there is Yajnanam Japo Yagyosmi. Yes. Next. So in 10th chapter, 25th verse, Krishna tells to Arjuna, of sacrifices I am the chanting of the holy names. That is Japa, and that is told in Bhagavad Gita 10.25. So what are the benefits of chanting? Yes. So by chanting, we can get a clear intelligence and a cool mind. Scientifically also we saw that there are various researches on it. And of course, when we are connecting with our true nature and we are connecting with God, so automatically we become purified in our senses. Our activities become purified. Our concentration and memory will be very, very high because we'll do one thing at a time. We'll not be distracted. We'll have a cool mind. We'll be peaceful if we do chanting of the holy name. Personal example in my life, I can see how there is a difference in all these things are actually applicable. Yes, next. harness the power of mind. So I already told you that Wi-Fi, so there's a connection. So we can connect with God by chanting the holy names. Yes. Next. Yes. So in the fourth session, we understood that how, according to the actions of a living being, he gets some reaction. So Newton's third law is, for every action there is a equal and opposite reaction. So if I do a sinful act, then I should be sure enough that something is waiting for me. Some reaction is waiting in the next life or this life. So according to my desires and according to my karma, I get a next body where I suffer. But by chanting the holy names of the Lord, very, very consciously and very properly, trying to be very attentively, we can be free from all these reactions of sin. That is the power of the holy names of God. And it is glorified in all the scriptures everywhere that chanting of the holy names is the prime benediction for this age of Kali Yuga. So that's a great benediction for all of us if we take to the process of chanting very seriously, very attentively. Here, we all have unwanted drives and habits, so we can be free from them, whimsical thoughts and desires. Yes, next. So there is a video in which it is shown that how people all over the world respect the chanting of the names of God, not only in India, but in Italy also, in America, in Australia, in Germany, in Austria, in Japan, any country you name, people are chanting the holy names of God, whatever they may be, and specifically Hare Krishna. So people all over the world have great appreciation for chanting these names of God. We'll see the video and we'll get to know here that these people, they know the real meaning of secularism. So we are not able to hear. Computer sound, you can go there and do computer sound. Above you can go. Screen went. I wanted to give you a glimpse that how the people in the West, they actually value the process of yoga as described in all scriptures, that is chanting the holy names of Lord so much that even in their parliament, they are having the starting of the session with this beautiful names of God. So more than 1 million people, they globally chant the holy names of God in so many countries all over the world. Okay. So let us take to this next slide. So for maximum benefit and efficiency, what we have to do? So we can chant audibly. Like I'll tell you, it should be loud enough to hear the mantra very carefully. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So this is the mantra. And when we pronounce it distinctly, it can be the best and maximum benefit. Okay. And there is no hard and fast rules for doing it. Yeah, we can do it in any place, sitting or walking or facing any direction. Okay. So there are no hard and fast rule as such. So anytime we can do. So sometimes students have this question that, sir, but हम hostel में तो इतने ठंडे पानी में कैसे बात लेंगे? तो बिना नहाए कैसे कर सकते हैं? लेकिन यार आप एक बात सोचो, किसी चीज को नहीं करना अच्छा अभी तो आप घर पे हैं वैसे, लेकिन मैं हॉस्टल का एग्जांपल इसलिए दिया बिकॉज आई थॉट दैट यू आर इन हॉस्टल. सो इन हॉस्ट किसी भी चीज को करने किसी भी चीज को करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, या किसी भी चीज को नहीं करने से इम्पोर्टेंट है उस चीज को कर लेना एटलीस्ट, है ना. तो यहाँ पे कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है, बिकॉज कलियुगा के लिए it is there that there are no hard and fast rule for chanting the holy names of God. So either you are not taken bath, or that is, if you are taken bath, then it's wonderful. If not, then at least you can chant the holy names of God. God's connection to God. Okay. So you can chant either before or taking. Okay. And preferably 108 times. So 108 is a very golden number and it has a very great significance. I'll send you a PDF and you can read it. Mathematically, scientifically, people have researched on it, and we have Vedic text glorifying the importance of 108. So that's why we chant 108 times, and it takes around 10 minutes, 7 minutes. And before starting our chanting, we chant this invocation prayers. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. You can take a screenshot of it. So this is the invocation prayer which we chant, and one should not chant a portion of the Mahamantra, okay, full Mahamantra, and one should not chant while reading a book. Okay, so basically the thing is that it's serious. If you just go deeper in what we have talked till now, it's very serious, and we are responsible for each activity we do, isn't it? We are responsible. It is in our hands. Now I have got the knowledge. To act or not act is in my hand. See, I can tell you anything, but it is in my hand. Many people may take many things, isn't it? But it is in my hand. If I want to change, I will give it a try, isn't it? So try to do it very sincerely and the holy names when you chant. When we have faith in what we do, then its effect increases and multiplies. Okay, so it is said कि यार खाने गुलाब जामुन का मजा उसके बारे में बात करने में नहीं है, उससे ज्यादा उसको खाने में, मतलब उसका टेस्ट आप कैसे ले पाएंगे. टेस्ट ऑफ पडिंग इज इन ईटिंग, है ना. तो उसको खा के आपको उसका टेस्ट पता चल पाएगा. ठीक है, तो आप लोगों में से कितने लोग हैं जो मेरे साथ इसको ट्राई करना चाहेंगे? वी विल do this Hare Krishna Mahamantra for 2 to 3 minutes now. Okay, yes, thank you for commenting. So I want all of you how to do this. Thank you for commenting. So I want all of you to, what you have to do, you can open your audio, not video, open your audio and go to a place where little Shanti is there. I know it will be difficult, but if there is some place where there is some peace, where you can little audibly chant, I can give you 2 minutes, okay? If you are going someplace where little peaceful things are there, then we can together audibly chant this, okay? So now this is a chance with all of us. Getting human form is very rare, and in human form getting the right guidance is very rarest, and that too what to say about God and what to say about life, God and life. So this guidance we have, and let us take this to our heart by chanting these holy names very consciously, very attentively, as attentively as possible. Okay. So you on your audio when you are okay. So I'll give you one more. Some are not ready, I think. So I'll give you one more minute. Okay.
Voice outside.
All of your audio is on. Sachin Jadhav on, okay. Umang, okay, on. Abhay Singh on हो गया. And who else is left? Abhay Singh, Jashandeep, General Leke. Okay, Abhay Singh. So Abhay Singh is there. We are waiting for Abhay and Jashandeep. Okay, Abhay and Jashandeep, we are waiting for you, and General Leke also. The name of some boy is General Leke, I think. Okay, Jashandeep is also on. Now, okay. Abhay, okay. Thank you. Most of you have your audios. Let us try. Let us give it a try. So, that slide, if we go, there is a mantra called invocation mantra, where we'll take the blessings of the Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda. I will say, and you can say before, okay? So, Sri Krishna Chaitanya,
Sri Krishna Chaitanya,
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityanand Shri Advait Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
okay, so now we'll together chant the holy names of God for 2-3 minutes. You chant it. So if anyone you have a lot of disturbance, try to close your audio, no problem. Let us only hear. Okay.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare
Hare Hare.
Ram Ram.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna
Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare
Ram Hare Hare
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram
Krishna Krishna Hare
Ram
Hare
Ram Hare
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 Ram
Hare Krishna Hare
Ram
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare 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 Ram
Hare Krishna
Hare Ram
Krishna
Ram Ram
Krishna
Hare
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 Krishna
Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare
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 Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Ram
Ram.
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Ram.
Hare
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 Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna
Hare Ram
Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram Hare
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 Ram
Hare Krishna
Ram Ram
Hare
Krishna
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 Hare
Krishna
Hare
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 Krishna Krishna
Hare Ram
Krishna
Hare Ram
Krishna
Ram Ram
Hare
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 Ram
Krishna
Hare Ram Ram Ram
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare 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 Krishna
Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Ram
Krishna Krishna
Ram Ram
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare Ram
Hare Hare
Hare Ram
Krishna
Ram Ram Hare Hare
Krishna
Hare Krishna
Hare Hare
Hare Krishna
Hare Ram
Krishna
Ram
Hare Hare
Hare
Ram Hare Ram
Hare
Ram Ram
Krishna
Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Krishna
Hare Ram
Hare Ram
Ram
Hare
Ram
Ram
Hare
Ram Ram Hare Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Ram
Hare.
Hare Ram
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 Krishna
Ram Hare Hare
Hare
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare Ram
Hare Hare
Hare Ram
Hare
Ram
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 Hare
Ram
Hare
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 Krishna
Hare Krishna
Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Hare Hare
Krishna
Hare Ram
Hare
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 Ram
Hare.
Hare Ram
Hare
Hare
Ram.
Hare
Hare
Ram
Ram.
Hare Krishna
Ram Ram.
Krishna
Hare Hare.
Krishna Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna
Krishna.
Krishna
So
Krishna
thank you very much
Hare Hare
for enthusiastically participating in this chanting of the holy names of Krishna and Ram. Actually, very, very grateful to all of you that you have taken out your time in this Corona time actually to understand more about the spiritual life. Very scientifically designed course. I would like to thank Prateek also and Yogananda for conducting this nice session and inviting me. I hope that there are 2 sessions left. Thank you, Jashandeep. So I hope there are 2 sessions left and we are going to meet soon. So thank you all very much and try to continue this practice. I want to ask you a mathematical question if you can answer me. So it is said that in general, in a day, if we are very focused and very attentive, still we waste around 20%, 18% of our time. And what to say of Corona time when we have so much free time and we give our time to get distracted to social media and other things. So I want to ask that in a day, there are 24 hours. Okay, so you have to calculate. If some of you can calculate in your mind, that's good. Or you take out a pen or paper. So all of you have to calculate and let's see who's the fastest IITian who can calculate this. So you have to tell me that how many minutes does 0.5% of a day is? 0.5%. Yeah, I think so. Oh, sorry, 2% of a day is. 2% of 24 hours, how many minutes? Simple question, 7th class. $28 minutes. 28.8, wow. Pratham has told very exact. Somebody has taken calculator also. Okay. So it's 28 minutes around. So 2% of a day is 28. Okay. Thank you, calculator. Thank you. So I just want to focus here that 98% of our time we are giving to our things of this world. If we just give 2% of our time to connect with God by this age-old, time-tested technique of repetition of the holy names of God, then actually we can get the ultimate benefit. Isn't it? So it's a worth try. Make it a habit for yourself. If not 2%, start with 1%. Start with 0.5% of your time of the day. But let's start. Okay? So all the very best to all of you. Please start this and have a habit of chanting the holy names of God, sitting at one place. And it's very good if you can chant 108 times. I'll send you the PDF. Okay, what's the importance and glories of the number 108? Okay, so if you can chant 108 times, then that will be wonderful, and that would take around 7 to 8 minutes of yours. That is around 1/4 of the 2%. Okay, so 0.5%. So you'll be very greatly benefited, and you'll thank to your seniors who are conducting these kind of sessions in the future to come. Okay, very much. Okay, thank you, Umang, for commenting.
So
okay,
we have.
So thanks to all of you.
We have quiz. I'm posting it on chat, and I'll send WhatsApp.
Okay, yes. So we have a quiz also. So Yogananda has posted it. Please attempt this quiz very enthusiastically. We have a Jaipur trip also waiting for all of you. So kindly attend this quiz, and I'll take your leave. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaibhav sir. Thank you very much. So the quiz link has been pasted in the chat. So do attend this quiz. It's very important for the Jaipur trip, along with the attendance of these sessions, like how many sessions you are attending, plus the quiz marks. And we have third prize, which I have sent the PDF on your WhatsApp, that we have prizes up to till 3 quizzes. So for that we have Anshuman Maurya, right? And Pratham.
You,
and Pratham. Congratulations, Anshuman. Congratulations, Pratham. You have got third prize. And then like you can share your address to Pratik, Veer Pratik, so that the gifts can be delivered at your home. Is it okay, Anshuman? Pratham?
Okay भैया, okay भैया.
So please do fill the quiz. Thank you very much.
लीव मत कर, वो भी लीव कर दे.
Please do fill the quiz. We'll end the meeting here. Thank you very much.